First, connect to the power, and then turn the power switch on, and go to the homing page, and press reset for 3 seconds, and you can hear there is no sound. You click here, all axis back to origin, and then you will see the rotation area and the feeding axis okay, bending axis okay, it's okay. First you should turn this pump off, and then you go back to the manual mode. This is manual mode. You turn the power on, turn the pump on, and you choose, for example, this one, you choose it and press plus. This is the main clamp will close, and you press the minus, the main clamp will open. And this one is the how to say, pressure die clamping. You press the plus, it will close. This one. You press plus, close, and minus, open. And this is for the collets. Collets is there. This is for collet. And plus means close, and minus means open. This is a support, pipe support. Plus means raise, minus means go down. Okay, and this is the clamping, and this is mandrel. Mandrel minus going forward, backward. And now we go to the YBC. Y means feeding, the carriage feeding. You can see here, when you choose it, Y-axis, plus means this forward, and minus means backward. And when you choose the B-axis, plus means this direction, and minus means that direction. Okay, and C-axis is the bending axis. When you choose the C-axis, plus means bend, and the minus means bending back. And you can choose the angles here. When you choose the angles, for example 90, 100 here, when you choose 100, and you choose the C-axis, and you choose this one, and you press plus, this one will automatically to 100 degrees. And when this degree is more than 90 degree, you can, how to say, choose this one, the assist push. You choose this one, plus means this one come out, minus means this one going back. In the manual mode, when only this bending, how to say, it's more than 90 degrees, you can operate this sliding out and back. And the other axis you can also choose, for example, the speed. This is speed, 6 or 5 or 9, whatever. And the B-axis speed, 8 or 9, whatever. And the bending speed also from 1 to 10. For example, you can choose 9 or 5, whatever. 5, whatever. Okay, so that's the manual mode.